your question that you should ask is, what value did you add?
Before we go to that next point, we have a question. Are search engines evaluating or checking content based on whether that content is AI generated or not?
Google has had a statement approximately maybe about 3 weeks ago, where Google has got reviewers, human reviewers. And these human reviewers, they look at content. And so they looked at content that they thought were AI generated. And these people are very experienced, so they know what to look for. And they classify that as low value content. And that gets built into the algorithm. So yes, Google is looking for AI generated content and sidelining it. When you think of AI content, think of the value that it's adding, because AI content is existing content. It's basically old content that is meshed together in a different format.